Hello guys, in today's video, I will show you how you can use the new Eafc 26 kits in your FIFA 19. To begin with, you will need to download these 4 files. Their download links are in the description box down below. Before you can extract them, make sure that your Windows Defender is turned off. It tends to delete the files. Now you can extract them. Once you are done with extracting, the next step is to run Extreme Injector as an administrator. In Extreme Injector, you will need to select FIFA 19 and add a few DLL files. The DLLs needed are in one of the files you just downloaded. Add each of the DLL files, one by one. Next, we will select FIFA 19 in Extreme Injector. You will need to temporarily open your FIFA 19 at this point. As the game opens, select it in Extreme Injector. Once selected, you can now close the game. Next, open the Frosty Mod Manager app as an administrator. Select FIFA 19. Then select Add Mods, and add the kits file you just downloaded. Select Apply Mods. To test out the mod, click on Launch, followed by Inject an Extreme Injector, like I do.
I'm not gonna stand here, say I'm defeated. 6 feet underground, I bury my demons, yeah. I'll say it. Broken and bruised, but I'm never beaten. 6 feet underground, I bury my demons, yeah. Yeah, this is a funeral.
The horizon pulls me closer, a whisper in the wind. The map is blank before me. Where do I begin? No fear of what's uncertain. The unknown feels like home. With every step I'm finding a place I've never known. Let's go where no one has ever been. A world unseen beneath our skin. Through endless skies we'll break the chain. Uncharted lands will claim them all. Rise like tides and let it fall. Just endless sea. Come drift with me. Come drift with me.
Lastly, let us save our mod in Frosty Manager. Select Create Shortcut and place it on your desktop. Just like that, we are done. Use the shortcut to run the game with the mod on. If you would like to run the game with no mod on, use the original game launcher to play it.